In today's lecture of business communication, we will be studying the importance and need of effective communication. I, Dr. Santosh Pagare from KJ Somaiya College of Arts, Commerce and Science, welcome you to this session. In the first session, we have already learned the importance of business communication. Now let's see some detailed part of what points regarding importance of communication. Communication is an important function in the process of management, and the primary function of management is planning, and its success depends upon effective communication. Third point, communication helps the upper level management in taking quick decisions. The fourth important point is a well-developed communication system is necessary for the successful and smooth working of an organization. Fifth point, effective communication helps managers to take prompt actions and decisions with the help of facts, data, suggestions, and complaints. Sixth importance, effective communication helps in transmitting the objectives of the organization easily to the employee. Seventh important point, effective communication helps in managing information between the employee and the top management of the business house. Eighth point, effective communication is at the base of good leadership. With the help of good communication system, a leader and his followers can create mutual understanding, trust, and harmony. The ninth important point of communication is effective communication ensures mutual dialogue between the workers and the various levels of management, which ensures better work relations and leads to better utilization of the available resources and reduction in the cost of production. And the last important point, effective communication supports in performing the management functions such as coordination, controlling, staffing, organizing, etc. Now, very two important points regarding communication are, we can sum up over here. Proper system of communication creates a feeling among the workers that work is being done on the basis of democratic principles within the organization. It means every person in the organization, every employer in the organization is being considered by the employer. In taking decision, in getting work done, the employer considers the employee for proper system, and it can be done with a good communication process. Effective communication helps in imparting proper training and development facilities to the employees. Now, after importance, let's see why there arises a need for communication in every business organization. The importance of communication highlights the need for it. In modern business world, the business relations are becoming more and more complex at national and international levels. Hence, the need for effective communication is increasing rapidly. Now, this need of communication, it is based on various factors. The first factor, let us see, size of organization. Modern business houses are large in size and are spread across the globe. To coordinate with the various levels of management and various departments, effective communication is needed. Second point, human relations. Modern theories of management focus on employee-centered relationships. Employees are allowed to participate in decision-making process and also represent on boards of management. Hence, there is a need for communication between them and the managers. Third need arises due to social relations. Business organizations are social institutions. They deal with different sections of society like customers, suppliers, government bodies, etc. It becomes necessary to communicate the financial and non-financial activities, values and code of ethics to build the corporate image. Hence, communication is necessary. The fourth need is growing role of trade unions. Trade unions are the representatives of labor force. Managers consult the unions in most of the matters that directly affect workers' interests such as wages, working conditions, promotions, etc. Hence, regular exchange of information between management and trade unions becomes necessary. Thus, the need of effective communication arises. The fifth need arises due to technological development. Now, what is technological development and why it is required? Technological advancements are rapidly increasing in the modern world. To train the employees and the managers in the latest technology necessitates the need for effective communication. Sixth need arises due to increasing competition. There is an increased competition between various business firms, whether they are private and public economic sectors, banks and other financial institutions. It is necessary to share and receive information regarding changes in economic and non-economic policies. Communication helps the firms to survive in such environment of competition. And the seventh and utmost important point is regarding growing specialization, where the communication is needed. Modern business organizations are highly specialized. Each department looks after a related set of activities. Hence, effective communication is required between various departments to improve the efficiency with the help of technology. So in today's lecture, we have learned importance of communication or need for effective communication. In next lecture, we shall study the another aspect of business